Hi guys, and welcome to multiplication times table developed in Python using while loop. Okay guys, as you can see, we have reels of numbers there using the while loop to generate that. So I'm going to exit out. Let's start a new project. So I'm going to come in here. First of all, I'll just ask the system to print. So let's ask it to add two lines there. And I'm going to add tab. Add three of those. Then let's enter multiplication times table. Close that up. The next thing I'm going to do is let's put a new line here. Yeah, that's fine. And I'm also going to declare two variables here. The first one I'll call that n, and let's initialize it with 12. And the next variable is going to be t. I'm going to initialize t with 1. Next, let's say y t is less than and equals to n. Then we now want to declare another variable in here, just call that q. Let's initialize it with 1. Then right underneath here, I'm going to create another while loop while q is less than and equals to n. And let's print out as follows. Come right down and we say print f. The f that I've just entered, that's just going to get the system convert it into string. So f, enter space mark, curly braces, let's say t, multiply that by q, and let's enter spacing of about 5, close the curly braces, close the space mark, comma, and equals space. Close that up. Since it's a while loop, let's get it incremented q, that will be, let's say, plus equals 1. Then get the system to print, and I will also say t plus equals 1 there. Alright, so let's see what we put together so far. I'm going to first of all save this, save as, just call that multiplication times table. Let's say TT, and I put 4 in there because that's for my second channel. Now just run that. Let's see. Run. There we go. Look at that, guys. That's how you create your own multiplication times table using while loop in Python. Let me show you guys the lines of code again. That's the lines of codes. Okay. And with that, I'm calling the end of this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe to this channel. And you can also join to become a member of the channel. You all have a nice day now. Bye for now.